Either versus neither. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am your YouTube teacher. Today I am gonna explain you the difference between either and neither, what does they mean and where can we use them. So let's start. Either. It means one of two choices. As you can see in the picture, there is a tea and there is a coffee, and in between them there is a word or. You all know the meaning of or. So what does the picture explain us? It explaining us that either we can choose a tea or a coffee. As it is, the example is given. You can choose either tea or coffee. So where does we use either? It is used when only one option is possible. Now let's come to neither. It means not one and not the other. As you can see in the picture, there is a pizza and ice cream. Also there is or between both of them, but both are crossed. It means no one from them. No one. Example, neither answer is correct. Let me explain it. Let's suppose you have solved a maths problem and you got an answer, but your friend told you that this is incorrect. Then you have solved it again. You got two answers. Then you took your notebook to your teacher and your teacher said neither answer is correct. It means your both answers are incorrect. So where does we can use neither? It is used when both choices are negative. Means you cannot choose from both of them. Then you will use neither. So it is clear? In short, either is used when you have to choose one of two. There are two options and you have to choose only one, then you will use either. And neither means not one, not the other. It means you have two options, but you can choose none of them. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos.